Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are doing well, inshallah. Here is your teacher Batul Saeed coming up with another subtopic of basic algebra, which is multiplication of a number by an algebraic expression. So here I am showing you some basics of multiplication in algebra by multiplying terms. All right. So if we have 5 multiplied by x, it's 5 times x, it is equals to 5x. Whereas if we have x power 4 into x power 5, it results x power 9. Whenever we have same variable in multiplication, we have to add the powers of both. Here, the power of x, first x is 4 and the next x is 5. We will add both 4 and 5, it results x power 9. Now we will solve some examples. So here is an example. A is 7w into 5. It results 35w. Here we multiply 7 by 5 and write w with 35 in answer. As you all know that there is always a multiplication sign in between coefficient and variable. Now in next part, we have a into b, which we can write as ab only. See, there is no need to put the multiplication sign in between variables, right? Now, we'll see is a into a into a. Here we have same variable, so we will add the powers of a, which results a cube or a power 3. Now d is 5a into 4x. Here we multiply 5 by 4. Here we multiply 5 by 4, it results 20, and ax will be written with 20. Now, e is 5 into 2c. It results 10 by c, or in alphabetical order, c comes first. So we can write it as 10cy. These are some basics of multiplication in algebra. Now in next slide, we have to explain the following expressions. Here, a is minus bracket y plus 5, bracket close. First of all, we have to write solution and copy the question. Now here we have minus sign before bracket. So this sign is multiplied by whole bracket. When minus multiplied by y, it results minus y, where the sign of y was plus before, right? And when this minus sign multiplied by plus 5, it results minus 5, as minus plus equals to minus. So the answer will be minus y minus y. Alright. Now next. Next is 2x bracket a minus b. Again write solution first. Copy the question. Here this is 2x is multiplied by whole bracket, as there is no sign in between 2x and bracket. So when 2x multiplied by a, it results 2xy, or 2ax Then 2x multiplied by minus b, it results minus 2xb or minus 2bx, as plus minus results 2bx. So the answer will be 2ax minus 2bx. Alright. Now C is minus 7 bracket a plus 2 bracket close. Write solution first. Copy the question again. Here we have minus 7 multiplied by whole bracket. Minus 7 multiplied by plus a results minus 7a. Whereas minus 7 multiplied by plus 2 results minus 14. Here we multiply 7 by 2 and minus plus results minus. So the answer is minus 7a minus 14. Hope you all understand the slide. Here in the next slide we have to explain and simplify the given expressions. So here in part A we have 5 bracket x plus 2y bracket close plus 2 bracket open 8x plus 6y bracket close. Again write solution and copy the question again. So in this question 5 multiplied by whole bracket of x plus 2y and 2 is multiplied by the whole bracket of 8x plus 6y, and in between both we have plus sign. We will solve both brackets parallel. First 5 multiplied by x results 5x, and whereas 5 multiplied by plus 2y results 10y, whereas we will put the sign of plus which is in between, this plus sign, whereas we have 2 multiplied by 8x, it results 16x. Then we have plus 2 multiplied by plus 6y, it results plus 12y. Now we have plus sign in between the terms. So we will arrange and different variables. So we will arrange like terms. As you all know that we will solve only like and like terms. We can only add or subtract like terms. So we will write 5x plus 16x plus 10y plus 12y. It results 21x plus 22y. It will be our answer. Now the next question is a plus 4b bracket 2a minus 5b plus c bracket close plus 9c. Again you have to write solution first and copy the question. Here in this question we have 4 multiplied by whole bracket, whereas we have one variable before this and one term after this whole bracket and 4, right? So first of all, you all know we have to solve bracket. So in next step, we will multiply this 4 by the whole bracket. We will write a plus 4 multiplied by 2a, it results 8a. Where we have to put the sign of plus as plus of 4 and plus of 2a, results plus sign. Whereas 4 multiplied by minus 5b results minus 20b. When 4 multiplied by plus 3, it results plus 4c. And we have to write plus 9c, which is written after the bracket. Now, like terms are already arranged here. So we will solve a plus 8a results 9a minus 20b, as we have only one term of b here, so we will write minus 20b. Whereas 4c plus 9c results plus 13c. Answer became 9a minus 20b plus 13c. Hope you all understand this well. Thank you, students. Allah Hafiz.